Alright, System 11B out of a Whirlwind. And so this board came in with a little bit of alkaline corrosion, and that has been abated here and conformal coated over top of. We've got a new modern reset generator, and I've also populated the bare minimum requirements there for the new modern reset. We've got new 100 UF filter or input filter capacitors, new power input header, and also two 10 UF capacitors here in the sound section. Replaced all of these sockets, so both 6802s as well as all four of the ROMs or EPROMs, and also added NVRAM here to the board. Both of these PIAs unfortunately suffered to the alkaline corrosion on the board, and so both of those have been pulled from the board, and I've got new ones in there with sockets installed. Down here I had replaced what I put in there is a 2N3904, which they swapped over to the 2N5550s. It's essentially same circuit. Anyways, the header down here actually had corrosion on the column 4 pin, which was causing that circuit to not work correctly, which was actually making the signal from there different as well. And so that's why I had assumed that it was a bad 2N5550, but again, like I said, it was the 0.156 header here at 1J8, and so that's been abated and conformal coated over top of as well. And I believe that concludes everything here for the board, so I will go ahead and get this thing powered up. And I've already got this set to free play, and since we are not in an actual machine, we're going to get this message here for a minute. There we are. So we are booted 100% into attract mode. And here's the lamp matrix dancing. And then the AC relay is trying to control maybe the fan up on top. Let's go ahead and enter into test. And I don't have a soundboard connected, but here you see that the AC relay goes off. Let's go into display test. I don't have a soundboard connected here. I didn't have one come in with the board, so I assumed that the sound section is working completely. The complete display test, and then into the lamp test, so all lamps, and then the single lamps, and it's not actually ghosting in real life, that is just the LED block itself. And moving into the coil test, so testing both A side and C side here of each coil. The red light being the A side and blue being the C side there. And into the special solenoids. So these are all being computer driven, as well as switch controlled. And those are all working correctly. And moving on to switch edges. Just moving through, testing both rows and columns, and all 64 switches report correctly there. And obviously the AC relay select is working. And again, I've got this thing set to free play, so it is 100% ready to go. Thank you so much.